Hello. Testing, testing. Hi. I'm back. We are doing more LeetCoding today, but today is more short and review. We're going to be reviewing the questions I've done for Blind 75 LeetCode, the dynamic programming section, because it has been giving me a hard time, so I don't want to forget what I've learned. But yeah, hello, good morning, or afternoon or evening, wherever you are. Another reason today is going to be a short stream is because I literally have an interview, like 2 other interviews today. I'm going to be doing way more intensely coding, so I want to take it easy. Oh, and also, the second interview is the one where they said I would have to do a bunch of, like actually make something, the object-oriented design one. So yeah, I have been practicing that the previous 3 streams, so still don't have super high hopes for any of the interviews, because you never know, right? But I think I've done the best I could to prepare. Okay, I'm looking at my notes right now. Longest increasing subsequence has a star next to it, meaning it was super difficult for me. Longest increasing subsequence. This one. Maybe I should make it in a whole new tab. Longest increasing subsequence. Okay, I remember this one. This one took me like a whole hour last time, just trying to debug what's going on. Dragon says, hello, welcome back to LeetCode. How's your system design question? Oh hey, it hasn't come yet. So yeah, I have 2 interviews today. One is most likely LeetCoding, and the second is the system design one, or the object-oriented design one. That's later in the day, so I'm just taking it easy this stream. I'm basically just going to do some dynamic programming reviewing the ones that gave me the most trouble, so in case I see them today. Dragon says, good luck, maybe the Chi-Chi God be with you. The Chi-Chi God? May the Chi-Chi God be with you. What is the Chi-Chi God? Oh, is this a Genshin? It's a Genshin reference. Chi-Chi Impact. Okay, thank you, I appreciate it. Alright. I don't know if you were here for this stream, Dragon, but this problem took me like a whole hour last time. I'm hoping, since it's review day, it would take me a shorter amount of time. Okay, longest increasing subsequence. Given an integer array, nums, return the length of the longest strictly increasing subsequence. Okay, big clue is that this is a dynamic programming solution, right? My memory is so bad, I actually don't remember what the solution is. I think I have a fuzzy idea of what it's like though. Okay, longest increasing subsequence. Oh, the definition of a subsequence is important too, right? A subsequence is an array that can be derived from another array by deleting some or no elements without changing the order of the remaining elements, right? You can delete elements. So I have the choice to either use an element or not use an element. Okay, let's say this is my function. What am I given? An integer array of nums. I think for problems like this, it's if you're doing a recursive call, it's good to track the index in the parameter, right? Int index. Return the length of the longest, strictly increasing subsequence. Okay, what are my base cases? Base cases. I remember doing this backwards to front gave me a really hard time. I'm gonna do front to back. What are my base cases? If I'm out of bounds, then I return 0, because that's not valid. If index out of bounds, what other base cases could I have? I can't think of any. So I'll just continue with my recursive calls. So I have the option of either using the index or not using the index, right? Use the current or not use current. Okay, what happens if I use the current? Longest strictly increasing subsequence. So it has to be bigger than my previous. If I'm going forward to backwards. If I use it, if I don't use it. Wait, there's two branches, right? Using the current one. So if me is greater than length of the longest strictly increasing subsequence, me is greater than previous, then that means I use the previous stuff. So I can do 1 plus a recursive call function, the same nums. Wait, I'm going from front to back. Yeah, I guess this works. Index plus plus. Okay, let me think about this some more. Use the current. And else. Wait, am I actually using the previous if I do it like this? Oh wait, if this is a recursive call, my previous would probably be adding me, right, this value. So I probably don't need to worry about adding my previous. Yeah, okay. Ooh, this is already hurting my brain. So what if I'm not greater than my previous? Else? What if I'm not greater than my previous? Then using the current one would not be valid, right? Because my previous could be doing a recursive call on me. So return 0. Because if I try to use my current one and it's a recursive call to my previous one, from my previous one, then it wouldn't be valid, no? I feel like I had this problem last time too. Okay, and then no use current, just return recursive call. Don't use me, so f nums index Okay, we need to somehow track what our previous was, and it can't just be the index before us, right? We could have skipped some numbers. So int, I think we did something like local max. For you had to be strictly greater than this. Me is greater than local max. One plus nums, index plus one. So if you use me, then your local max is now updated to me. If no use current, index with plus one again, and the local max would be the same still. Okay. I'm trying to think about what the case would be if, like, if I didn't have a local max. What happens if I'm index 0? If me is greater than local max? For foregone says it's about prime numbers. Oh no, this is a dynamic programming question. It's called longest increasing subsequence, where we have to find the length of the longest strictly increasing subsequence in the array, where subsequence is like an array, but you can delete some elements. Welcome to the stream, by the way. Borgon says, because the results only contain prime numbers. Really? Is that true? 10? In the results, huh? 237101. Oh, maybe. Well, 4 is not a prime number. I guess you were looking at this one, huh? Maybe. I remember the branch of using the cron gave me a lot of trouble recently. Somehow, like, I think this is right, but I don't know why it's right. Why did we need to return 0 again for the invalid case? I guess if it's a recursive call from a previous index and I'm not bigger than my local max, then I can't actually use my current one, right? So it's counted as 0. But what if I What if I can use my current one? Like I'm the first, let's say I'm the first number, and then everything else is less than me. So, say for the, let's say I'm 7 over here, right? What happens? Am I greater than local max? Let's say local max is like instantiated to integer dot min value. So it's still go in this clause. 1, I will use myself plus nums index plus 1 me. Or no use current. Or what if I'm here, 7? Would it be more readable if I just used this default 0? Yeah, I think that might be more readable. Yeah, okay. Okay, so this is without caching so far. I want to try implementing it without caching. Let me make this bigger so y'all can see. Foregone says, lol, dynamic programming is just separating your code and remembering your results. Never heard of this term. Dynamic programming? Yeah. In some cases, it's basically just recursion, but caching all of your recursive calls, right? That's sometimes how I like to think about it. Okay, so we need a helper function. Helper return helper nums index. We start at 0 from the front. Local max is integer dot min value. We can use any value that's bigger than this from the start. Okay, helper function. We have our int nums, our int index. Foregone says, breaking a big problem in smaller problems to solve. Yeah, that's kind of like recursion too. Except in dynamic programming, they sometimes have you work backwards, like from the base case, and build up to the actual result. Okay, what's the base case here? Is recursion. Okay, base case is if index is out of bounds greater than nums dot length. Is that out of bounds? Oh, it should be like this. That's the biggest valid index. Return 0 because that's not valid. Okay, we have 2 different branches right now. Int use me, default that to 0. If use me is greater than local max. Sorry, not local max. This should be local min. Local min, then I can use it. Return the helper function. We are making a recursive call right now. So 1 plus, because I'm using myself, plus nums index plus 1, and update the local min with myself. Index. Also, I realized I messed up on this conditional statement. if myself is greater than local min. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Else, and then no use me is equal to recursive call helper nums index plus 1 comma local min. The local min stays the same because it's not changing. We're not using the current index. Hey Foregone, you sound like you have a strong background in coding. Do you LeetCode too? And then return the max result from use me versus no use me. Alright, I'm gonna hide my window for a split second to sign into LeetCode so I can run my stuff. At gmail.com. Please be the right credentials. Okay, I got it. And we're back. Foregone says, when I was younger, yeah, but this is mostly too abstract stuff. I rarely use in my daily business. Oh, in your daily business? Are you in the industry right now? That's pretty cool. I aspire to be in the industry someday too. Okay, let's see how many compilation errors I have. Invalid method declaration. Oh, I forgot my return type, I think. Semicolon missing. Cannot find symbol, no use me. Foregone says, yes, I'm a web backend dev. Oh, very cool. Foregone says, some embedded stuff too. Wow. You're a backend dev. I want to get into backend dev too. Hey, what tools do you use for backend? Oh no, it's wrong. Well, do you use like Node.js? I heard Django. Is that used for backend too? Output 2, expected 4. No. Okay. Looks like we're gonna be here for an hour again, guys. Django and Node.js don't scale well. Oh, what scales well though? They are nice for starting out. Yeah, I've been looking into some backend stuff to start playing. I'm mostly Java. Oh, Java. Some Golang. Oh, Java. That's very cool, so you can probably read very well when I'm typing. Oh, Java. Do you perhaps work in cloud? I don't know, maybe that's a too personal question. People don't like to say what industry they work in online. Okay, what's going on here? Yeah, we are using GCP with Kubernetes to host our stuff. I have no idea what GCP is. GCP. Oh, Google Cloud. Oh, interesting. Never heard people refer to just as GCP. I think everybody's heard of AWS though. they got a pretty good hold on cloud. AWS is too closed, like you're too locked into their ecosystem. I've never really tried any cloud services to some huge extent. How do they lock you into the ecosystem? Oh, and I heard AWS is really pricey too, if you really get into it. They serve you very special services only they have. Okay. Isn't that a good thing though? Very special services only they have. If you actually need it, that's a good thing. They have their own forks of some database technologies like MongoDB. Oh, are you perhaps talking about AWS RDS maybe? Oh yeah, I was looking into databases yesterday. It's so complicated. There's like SQL and then MySQL, a whole different world. There's like MySQL and then another fork of it called Maria. And then Oracle and Microsoft has their own SQL implementations. Apparently MySQL doesn't scale well for big data, like big amounts of data. And then I was looking at AWS RDS and I was like, oh great, another database solution. And then I found out that it was just a wrapper. AWS RDS is just a wrapper for other existing database engines like MySQL. So it's like, wow, dang, database solutions are sure complicated. Okay, why is this not working? Let me see if I can just read my way. I'm debugging. If index is greater than nums.length minus 1, return 0. Use me by default is 0. If nums index, if I'm greater than my local min, that means I can use me, the 1 plus helper nums, comma, index plus 1, comma, nums index. Bogon says, yeah, different stuff for different use cases. I guess that's why people study system design, huh? No, use me as helper nums index plus 1, local min. Why am I only outputting 2? What is the answer here? 2370101? You actually know what 1337 means? No, what does that mean? 1337. Oh, leet. I see. Oh. Your name is pronounced Argon. Naruhodo. Oh, that's late speech. Wait, the practice of substituting characters for related characters originated from LeetCode? Really? Yeah. I don't know what leet is. Okay. Local min. It was invented to circumvent the first email spam filters. Ah, that makes sense. Okay, I don't want to spend an hour doing this again, but apparently I forgot how to do this. How did I do this last time? Okay, that's with cache. Take. If nums me is less than. Did I do this backwards last time? How did I do this backwards last time? What? 1 plus length, nums. No take is length nums I minus 1. Local max is the same. So besides the fact that I'm doing this forward this time, how am I doing this differently? I'm storing the value in local min, right? Integer.min value. Let's look at some forward solutions. Actually, can I just try debugging with my... Let's see what indices we're looking at. Or is it going to be a really hot mess of printouts again? Index. You know what? Maybe not this. I remember it's a really horrible mess last time. Reggie says, "Hi, how are you doing?" I'm doing good. How are you, Reggie? Welcome to the stream. Man, I can't believe this is my third time doing this question, and I still don't have the intuition of how it's done. I thought I got it this time, but apparently not. Okay, I think I found the solution I was looking at last time. If I is greater than or equal to size nums, return 0. Greater than or equal to size nums. Aragon says, "Hey yo." 有 Wait, why are they... If I is greater than or equal to size nums... Wait, why is it greater than or equal to? Dragon says, honestly, I'm person of recursive approach with DP, but this question better solved with iterative in my opinion. Really? Dang it, have I been approaching it wrong? Oh, I don't wanna... The solution is right here though. Okay, take equals 0, don't take is solve. I plus 1 previous. If nums I is greater than previous, take is equal to 1 plus solve. One plus solve nums index plus 1 nums index. And the note take is helper nums I plus 1 previous. Return max of take or no take. Nums 0 int min. Wait, that's exactly what I'm doing, except the base case is different. Isn't the... Oh, wait, hold on. Nums.length minus 1. If I is greater than or equal to size... Oh, man. Hold on, do we arrive at different last indices? So for me right now, if I go 1 over the last index, I will return 0. If I is greater than or equal to size nums... Wait, never mind, we both stop at the same case, right? 1 plus the greatest one. Reggie says, how long have you been preparing for interviews? This is day 12 of streaming leak coding. Use me as 0. Man, this is kind of... Oh, thank you, Dragon, for the notes. But it's kind of painful how close I am to the solution right here. But it doesn't work. So I'm trying to see what the difference is. I'm like so close apparently. Return helper num0 integer.min value. Int use me is 0 by default. No use is helper nums I plus 1. Wait, don't take is nums I plus 1, the previous. And if nums index is greater than local min, the previous. Return 1 plus helper nums I plus 1, nums I, and then return max, use me, don't use me. Wait, I did it exactly as this guy. Why does it not work? Reggie says, why you pick Java? I also use Java, but a lot of people don't use it, they use Python. Yeah, I'm just the most comfortable with Java. I know my... I know it doesn't look like it now, but Java is my most comfortable language. Yeah, I know you can do a lot of things really fast with Python. Wait, I'm actually so stumped. I'm doing it exactly like this guy. Why am I not getting the same answer though? How are we different? Okay, one more time. Return helper num 0 int value. The helper is int I local min. Index is greater than. This wouldn't make that much of a difference, right? Length? I feel like that's the same thing. Okay. Take is equal to 0 by default. Don't take is equal to helper nums index plus 1 local min. And if nums, my current index, is greater than local min, which is my previous, return 1 plus helper nums index plus 1. Wait, what do they do here? Wait, that's exactly what I'm doing. I don't understand how my logic differs from this. Oh no. Are we going to be here forever again? Holy shizzle. Wait, I swear I got the logic right this time. Is it a... Blackback Software says, greetings! Hi Blackback Software, how you doing? Welcome back to the stream. This guy was like my mock interviewer last time. Man, I really don't know why my solution is not working right now. It's literally exactly like this. Well, not exactly, some things are out of order. What if I make it the exact same order, like... Okay, that's the base case. Take is equal to 0 by default. I really don't know how my logic is differing from this. No use me is equal to helper nums index plus 1 local min, which is my previous. If nums index is greater than local min, oh, hold on, let's undo all that. I think I know what's going on. I'm straight up returning over here. I am an idiot, woo. Use me should be updated to this. Because if we return here, we never compare the solution of using my current index with not using my current index. We never get to here. Yeah, let's go. The running got accepted. Let's go. So that's what was different. Okay. Okay, time to implement caching. Yeah. Sorry, Dragon, I didn't really look at your thing you said. I was just so close to the answer. Like, my answer was literally neck and neck with that guy's solution. I've come so far. Blackback says, having fun? Depends on what you mean by fun. Now I'm having fun though, because it's being accepted. Previously, no. I swear, I'm reviewing this problem because it's given me trouble 2 times before. I'm still having trouble on it now. I swear I got the intuition right, but some random return statement was screwing me over. Okay, let's add some caching, yeah? What is our cache? Our index and local min, maybe? Sure. Int cache is equal to new nums plus 1 dot length plus 1 nums dot length plus 1. By the way, Blackbag, how are you doing today? Are you having a good day? And then we input the cache into here. Make sure to update in the constructor or parameters. Cache. Blackback says, yeah, got my Twitch chatbot working. Oh, you have a chatbot on Twitch? What does it do? Like, what can it do right now? Capabilities. Okay, we need to account for a cache hit now. Cache hit. Maybe I will instantiate everything to -1 for every mini array in cache arrays.fill array -1. Blackback says, well, the goal is to have an AI summarize what I am doing, and then the chatbot will let everyone know. Oh, oh, that's pretty cool. I've seen some rare examples of that. I feel like only a few people have gotten that to work, so that is pretty cool. Oh wait, what do you do on stream, Blackbag? Do you also code? Cache hit if cache the current index. Should I change it to the local min index instead? Yeah, that's within my cache bounds. Local min index is not equal to -1, then I can return it. Return the answer. And else I need to update this to use local min index instead. This should be updated to local min index 2. This should probably be instantiated to something like -1 instead of min value. So over here, if local min index is equal to -1, Or, because if there's nothing behind me, I can use me, right? Yeah, that makes sense. Previously, it will be negative infinity. So it would still get here. Yeah, okay, I think that makes sense. And at the end of the day, I need to store the result in the cache too. Result is equal to math.max this. Return cache index local min index is equal to result, and then you return result. Oh no, compilation error. Doko. Error cannot find symbol nums. Oh, wrong variable name. One plus, oh, I need to include the cache, right? Oh, and instead of using the actual value, I need to use the index for the local min cache. Nums index plus 1, local min I, which stays the same, and then cache. Let's see how many more compilation errors I have now. Index -1 out of bounds. Oh, I see. If local min index is not equal to -1, where? Line 9. For length 9 at 27. 27. Oh, okay. If local min I is not equal to -1, then we do our shtick of caching it. Let's go! It worked, the caching. Let's go! It worked, though not very fast. Should I look into the other solutions you guys are talking about? The faster ones? Blackback says, yes, on my stream currently, I am improving my AI code helper. Dang, and testing it by using it on different projects to help me code better/faster with iOS, Swift, mobile apps, or Python apps. Dang, you sound very stacked. You're making your own AI code helper? That's pretty sick. Wait, how are you making it yourself? Are you using GPT underneath it? That's so cool. What can it do? Like, can you ask it to write some short snippets for you? Or like just general questions like how do I do blah 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 in general in Swift? Okay. The other problem that got me last time was longest common subsequence. I don't think I have time to do another problem, but given two strings, I guess I can talk it out. Given two strings, text1 and text2, return the length of their longest common subsequence. If there is no common subsequence, return 0. A subsequence of a string is a new string generated from the original string with some characters, can be none. Yeah. Subsequent definition. Okay. What did we do last time? ACE is a subsequence of A, B, C, D, E. Common subsequence of two strings is a subsequence that is common to both strings. Man, I already forgot the intuition for this problem. Excuse me. We had two indices though. So we have text1 and text2, t1, t2. Man, this is gonna be not readable at all. I1, I2. And they start at the end. I think that's how it went last time. What's the base case? If I1 or I2 is less than 0, then you return we're supposed to return the length, not the actual subsequence. So it would be 0 because that's invalid. I guess if both are equal right now, if both characters are equal currently, then you do 1 because that's one subsequence plus okay, plus recursive call, same t1, t2, and then index -1, index -1 for both. And if both characters are not equal, then you can kind of play around, right? You can do should I use the next character of the left? Should I increment the pointer of t1 or t2? You can kind of play around with it. F, t1, t2. Oh, okay. So you can try incrementing the pointer of I1 and then keeping I2 the same. Or you can try just incrementing the pointer of I2. Oh, okay. Yeah, the intuition is coming back to me. I'm not going to code it though. And then return the max of these two. Common subsequence. Yeah, I think that was the solution, wasn't it? Did I actually remember the intuition? Oh, and of course, I forgot the caching. Yeah, caching is simple. We just cache these two. If either of them are out of bounds, return 0. That's caching. If the characters are equal, then do 1 plus, increment both. Yes. Yeah. Else, increment just one of them, one at a time, return max. Yeah, okay, I got it. The intuition is still with me. Let's go. Wow, okay. I can't believe I remembered that. Implementing it will be a whole nother monster, though. The last recursion or dynamic programming question I have noted here is coin change. Again, I'll just talk through it because I have to leave soon. Coins representing coins of different denominations. Okay. So we have function, coins, amount. Return the fewest number of coins you need to make up that amount. So base cases. If your amount is less than 0, then if that amount of money cannot be made by any combination of coins, return 0. Fewest number of coins. I guess return 0 because it's not valid. If your amount is equal to 0, then return 1 because, I don't know, that's one way. Or, you know, you've reached the end, the base case. Wait, actually, should it be 0? Should it be 1? Should it be 0? So let's say I have 25 cents left. For my recursive call for 25 cents, I use a 25 cents, so 1 plus 0. Oh, okay. Return -1, I guess, if it's a invalid scenario. Okay. Else, the recursive call is for each coin, right? For each coin. Do a recursive call of the same coins, amount minus the coin value, and plus that. Let's see the limits, they're lower. Reified, let's see, the limits are lower. Wait, what does that mean? I don't know what you mean. Oh, okay, I see. Constraints. Okay, for each coin, track the max. Oh, track the min. And then track the min. Or sorry, return the min. Reified says amount can't be negative. Oh, I'm doing a recursive thing right now. So I'm continually going to be subtracting the coin value from the amount. So it could be negative. Yeah. I guess ignore if -1 here. Yeah, I'm doing recursion right now. I think about DP. Yeah, for DP, usually I try to just do recursion and then cache my results. My cache in this case would be caching amount over here. Oh, by the way, I'm doing review right now. I've already done this problem. So if amount equals 0, return 0. If amount is less than 0, return -1. This is the cache hit. For every coin and coins, yes, do a recursive call on the same coins, amount minus the coin. If it's -1, ignore it. Else track the local min and then return the result. Okay, cool. I still have the intuition. Very nice. Reified says, I think about DP. Like bottom-up DP? I'm honestly really bad at bottom-up DP. Like thinking about how it's done. How would you bottom-up DP this thing? Should I look at the bottom-up DP for this? Is this guy using bottom-up DP? Oh, he might be. So min coins is equal to, okay, arrays.fill everything with the amount plus 1. Why amount plus 1? Min coin 0 is equal to 0. For int I is equal to 1, int is less than or equal to amount. Oh, you're iterating through all of this, I guess? The entire array. And for every coin you have, I minus coins j. Wait, I'm confused. I'm so confused. Reified says I'm too. Wait, was this not the way you were suggesting? Bottom-up DP? Okay. I'll explain how to solve this by dynamic programming. Okay, let's say this is the amount. First of all, I create array for dynamic programming. So that's the index. That's what he's starting off with. I still don't know why he's starting it off with 1 plus the target amount. That's kind of weird for me. It's look like, but I'm not yet why. Oh. We use each index number as amount. Okay, 1 means amount 1, index 5 means amount 5. We will keep minimum number of coins to make up each amount. Yes, amount plus 1. Any number greater than amount. What? In the end, if we still have 12, that means we didn't find combination to make up the target amount, so return -1. At index 0, I put 0 as value because to make up amount 0, we don't need any coins, so we can start from index 1. Okay, index 1, we try to create amount 1 with the coins and check all possible combinations and find minimum number of coins. What if we don't have a coin with value 1? Well, yeah, true. If we use coin 1 to make up amount 1, what amount should we have before we use 1 coin 1? It's 0. Okay. Okay, he's subtracting the 1 coin from amount 1. Man, I'm so confused. I don't like how he says easy too. Easy smiley face. Maybe I don't think this solution is for me. Let's see. Let's see this one. Maybe coin with value 1 must exist, because if this don't exist, we can't make any amount. I'm not sure. Oh, here, dynamic programming bottom up. Okay, I like how short this is. Intuition, we need to calculate the minimum number of coins to add up to an amount. We can use subproblems, lower amount, using the same denominations to calculate the result of the current amount. The subproblems are repeating. Okay. The number of coins needed to get amount 0 is 0. Yes. At any state, we need the amount of coins to make the current amount. We can calculate that using a coin and add to the min coins needed to make amount minus denomination. We repeat this process for every denomination of coins we have and take the minimum. Amount is equal to 1 plus min amount minus coin 1, amount minus coin 2. Okay, so wait. Using a coin and add that to the min coins needed to make amount minus denomination. Okay, so for each coin, we do 1 plus amount minus, what's coin 1, coin 2 though? Oh, okay, so you're trying coin 1, coin 2, 1 plus the min of all these. Okay. Note, if we can't generate the amount using our sequence of coins, report it using a proxy. Here we use amount plus 1. If we can't generate the amount using our sequence of coins, report it using a proxy, like amount plus 1. Okay, so amount plus 1 is used to say this is an invalid case, I guess. The result will be available at dp amount. Bruh, this is so short, what the heck? Okay, so we have a vector dp amount plus 1, amount plus 1. Wait, what is this? Is this a 2D array in C#? I mean C in C++. C++ 2D array. dp, oh, never mind, it's not. Oh, wait. Is this perhaps the size of the vector? And then this is the default amount. They're using amount plus 1 again, but they said they're using this to represent an invalid state. Okay. dp0 is equal to 0. For int a Reified says I'm Java coder. Yeah, this is base case, huh? While a is less than amount plus 1, a plus plus. Okay, so for every basically every index in this vector for C in coins, if a minus c is greater than or equal to 0, meaning I don't go into the negatives, dpa is equal to min dpa, comma, oh, okay, min my current best plus 1 plus dp minus c. So I'm assuming that I store my best one in the previous. Return dp. Wait, I don't get it. Everything is instantiated to amount plus 1. Won't you get the same thing for every index? Well, let me take a screenshot of this. Unfortunately, I actually have to leave right now. I might look at this offline. Dragon says, once you implement the recursive, you can convert your recursive to iterative. Oh yeah, that's what I did actually last time. This was the recursive solution, and then I cached the... Dragon says, good luck to your interview. Thank you. Thanks so much. I'll try my best. Thank you, Reified. Thank you, Dragon, for sticking to the end. I appreciate it. Alright, I'm gonna hop up now. Wish me luck, guys. Though statistically, I don't do too well in interviews. So far, that is. Alright, bye. Have a nice day, guys.